Welcome to Monday morning and we have math class today. Today is lesson 146. On Thursday last week we skipped a day of school. So on Friday we did Thursday's work because the electricity was out and the internet didn't work super good. So today we're going to do what we were going to do on Friday. So we have math lesson 146. And you have a new schedule, so hopefully you can find out where you are for sure now. So today we're going to do fact division for tens. So you know all the facts, so we're just going to go through them. So 0 divided by 10 is 0. Doesn't work. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 10 times 1 is 10. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 80 divided by 10 is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. 70 divided by 10 is 7. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 50 divided by 10 is 5. is 5. 120 divided by 10 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. 110 divided by 10 is 11. 11 times 10 is 110. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Alright. So we do some fractions with the denominator answer as the clue to find out what it was divided by. So let's go and try to figure this one out. The denominator clue is 3. So 15 divided by what equals 3? We know that 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So the whole number must be 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And the answer is 1/3. Alright, let's do this averaging. We're averaging 3 numbers. So 6 plus 4 is 12. So we need to add them first. That's the first step. 6 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. And 15 plus 9 is 24. So we need to divide sum into how many numbers we're averaging, the add-ins. So we're going to divide 243 divided by 1, 2, 3 add-ins. 2 divided by 3 does not work. You cannot put 2 erasers into 3 cups. That's impossible. So we're going to move on to the next numbers. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 8 times 3 is 24. And then we bring down the 3. Next step, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 81 is the average of these 3 numbers. Today for flashcards, I want you to do times 10, times 4, and times 9. Keep getting better at those so you have them fully memorized for 4th grade, which is going to be awesome. And today in part 7B, we have something that I've not done for a long time, very little of, but I think you guys will catch on really fast. So in 7B, there's a math problem that looks kind of like this. So we're going to go through it. I'm going to help you do this one so that you can get 7B pretty easily. So when you're adding fractions, we need to keep the denominator the same. So the denominator is 3. So now we're going to add the numerators. The numerator is 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So now we have 3/3. And we know that 3/3 equals 1 whole. We can't leave a fraction like this. So 3/3, if it's 1 whole, we can just erase the fraction since it equals 1. So we'll just erase the fraction and add 1 up here because it equals 1 whole. And then we can do 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So the whole answer is 11 because 3/3 equals 1 whole. So we just add it to the whole numbers and then add up the whole numbers all together. Does that make sense? So let's go through it a little bit again. Let's go through it again just to make sure you get it. So we drop down the numerators. The numerators stay the same. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3/3 can't stay like that. Fractions cannot stay like this. 3/3 equals 1 whole. So we move the whole to the whole numbers, 1 whole. Erase the fraction. We used it up in the whole number. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. And the answer is 11 with no fraction. All right. I hope that makes sense. If you can get part 7B, if you can't, just call me, ask me questions. I can definitely help you with that. But yeah, have a super good Monday. All right, so we need to pull off some chains from our chain here for the last few days of school. So we did not do school on Thursday, so we need to pull off Tuesday. But I'm just going to read one verse off of this one, 2 Corinthians 12, 9 to 10. And so I will read that right now, actually. And the verse is, this is the 19th one. So we did the 20th one on Thursday. The 19th here is for Friday. We did not do school on Friday. But the verse here, 2 Corinthians 12, 9 and 10, says, and he said to me, that's the Lord, and he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you. My strength is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, most gladly, I will rather boast in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me. Therefore, I take pleasure in infirmities and reproaches, in needs, and in persecutions, in distresses, for Christ's sake. For when I am weak, then I am strong. That is talking about the power of Christ that strengthens us and is sufficient for us. Even when we're just weak people, God can still use us. And, yeah. So, wait, I need to pull off the next one. This one is for today, for Monday, and this is Cayman's. Cayman's name is backwards, but this is Cayman's chain. So, here you go, Cayman. It's a pink chain, or it's red, actually. So, all right, there's a chain, and we have 17 more chains up there for the last few days of school. So, here we go.